Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome on the streets of Kuala Lumpur. And today we are going to Pavilion, a building I've been many times before. You know, we're gonna go there and have some lunch, I guess. Because it's prime time, it's like 12 o'clock already, so it's kind of busy. You know, but for the sake of trying it out, we have to try it, man. Uncle Roger's fried rice. It's supposed to be like the best fried rice, but I don't know, you know? It's like, you've seen all the videos online, you know, a lot of people have reviewed it already, but I want to try it myself, like have my own take on this fried rice. If it's really that great, or it's always the best to test it out yourself. Let's check it out at Pavilion, Uncle Roger's fried rice. Let's see if there's any queue, because I'm really curious if there's a big queue or not. All right, we made it, man. Fuyo, it's Uncle Roger. There's actually no line, so that's really nice. Look at this, it's quite empty. Well, let's try it out, man.
Hello, little niece. Yes, I'm going to talk to you. I think you're hungry. You look hungry. Some egg fried rice.
Just one person? Yes, thank you. All right, everyone, we're in. Okay, I just placed my order and it was $46.30 in total. So you got the drink was $10.90 and the Uncle Roger's egg fried rice non-spicy. I took the garlic shrimp, which is 29 Malaysian ringgit, which is insane for a fried rice. So I hope it's really good. Yeah, it better be really good for 29 ringgit. But the place is really nice. Look at this place. Like, there's a nice logo up on top. You got Uncle Roger in the background. And the whole theme of this restaurant is like orange, yellow, white-ish. It's really beautiful. Just got my drink. It was $10.90, man. That is crazy. Mostly when I buy drinks, it's like 5 or 6 ringgit. I already thought that was expensive, but $10.90 is like pushing it, man. Alright, apparently they learned something from the, you know, the long waiting stuff. So it already came in here. Because it's not busy, it's like super okay now. And this is the fried rice, the shrimp fried rice. 29 ringgit, yo. Uncle Roger approved. Let's try it out. Alright, man, this is the fried rice. Look at the fried rice. It's amazing. Egg fried rice, yeah. Uncle Roger approved. It better be good, man, for Ya Gao Man for 29 ringgit. This is actually I think the most luxury one because this has shrimp. First bite. It actually is really delicious. Yeah, wok hei. There's a lot of wok hei in this. I must say the fried rice is really delicious, man. This is nice. Let me cut up the egg a little bit so it's easier to eat. So we got the fried rice with the egg, so we can do this in one bite. I've never paid so much for a fried rice, man. But the portion is quite big, you know? Look at the portion. It's quite big. I don't understand like people like saying no wok hei on this fried rice. If I eat it, it does have some wok hei to it. It's not like doesn't have any wok hei. Maybe not as much as you want, but it does have some wok hei. Actually, I have not been eating these shrimps the right way. You have to like cut the tail to get everything out. Like get everything out, so you can eat it everything. 3 slices of cucumber, a nice egg. Let's try a little bit of this chili. Don't want to put too much on it on the fried rice. Just to try it out, you know. The sambal is over here. This natio is a little bit sweet. That's weird. It's not even like super spicy. I'm confused. Natio is always like hot, right? What kind of brand natio is Uncle Roger's natio? I don't know. You know, presentation wise is fun. You know, like you've got the Uncle Roger dish, the plate, the whole styling of this restaurant is really nice. Definitely not a bad way to start this day. And it's not busy because I've come here on April 2025 and it's not busy at 12 p.m. It's now almost 1 p.m. So definitely recommended time if you want to come here and eat. Sure. Could have been a bit more wok hey. That would be a lot more nice. But the waiting time, like I saw people like waiting for 1 hour for their fried rice. That's over, man. It's like I ordered and literally like 5 to 10 minutes later it came out. It's really fast now. I think they learned something, you know, like after opening for a couple of months, you know, people learn. How much is 46 Malaysian ringgit in euro? I have to like recalculate. €9.36. Gonna make you rich, Uncle Roger. Damn. But that was delicious. I would say it's definitely not a 9, but I think it's an 8.5 out of 10. Definitely a good fried rice, you know. Has some wok hei to it, but not that much. And the shrimps are really nice, you know, well seasoned. And I'm really confused about this natio. It's sweet. But then, other than that, 8.5 definitely is really nice. Peace. This is a funny thing, man. Uncle Roger in a box. It's literally a box. Look at this. But nice place, man. Julio is Uncle Roger. Bye-bye. Fried rice. All right, what do I think of this Uncle Roger fried rice, man? I already told you 8.5 out of 10. The best fried rice? I don't think so, man. It's like, it's a good fried rice, but definitely not the best fried rice I ate. I think on the streets, you can eat better fried rice. And for 29 ringgit, oh man, it is expensive AF, yo. But nice to try. I'm really glad I came here to try Uncle Roger's fried rice, and it's not busy. So it's April 2025, and I think it's already like a couple of months that Uncle Roger's fried rice is released. And it's not that busy anymore, so you can just go ahead and have your fried rice. Get the shrimp fried rice, shrimp egg fried rice. It's really delicious. And I would say also like skip the drinks because $10.90. Wow. I just tried it because, you know, I wanted to try the lemon tea, but for $10.90, you know, better go to Gong Cha or Chagi to get your real boba, man. On a very busy Bukit Bintang road crosswalk, I'm trying to find out which is the best seafood fried rice, man. We ate the Uncle Roger's fried rice today. It was mega expensive, yo. 29 ringgit, if you can remember. Today is all about hitting the streets because I haven't eaten much street food. You know, Jalan Alor, I haven't eaten much, but I think it's necessary, man. Necessary to at least try Jalan Alor. And I'm also curious about the prices, yo. The prices should be much more cheaper than Uncle Roger's fried rice. I thought like the opening rounds of Uncle Roger's fried rice was like 16 ringgit or something, but it seems like it's going up. Like it's only going up like 20, 25, now it's 29 ringgit. So I don't know what the original price was. Maybe it was 16 ringgit. I don't know, man. Who cares? We're gonna hit the streets level of seafood, and I hope it's good. All right, currently walking towards Jalan Alor. I don't know which restaurant I'm gonna visit, you know. It's like, we'll just wing it, man. That's how I do it most of the times anyways. So you got so many places over here. It's impossible to like pre-plan here on what you want to eat because it's so difficult to decide. But I've got a clear plan on the seafood fried rice. Doesn't have to be seafood, but I think it will be very delicious if you do seafood. So this is Jalan Alor in the night, guys. So this place only comes to life in the night. It's gonna rain soon, I think. I hear like thunder. I really hope it's not gonna rain. There's so much to eat here, man. Chucha. Let me just check it out, man. We need some good old-fashioned fried rice. Oh yeah, 135. This place looks pretty good. But let's just go and look at some other places as well. Wow, look at how bustling this place is, yo. So many people trying to get food. Do you have seafood fried rice?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
It's good?
Good.
Very good?
Very good.
Which one?
This one.
Show me.
Seafood fried rice.
Ah, look at that. Yeah, can I have one? Yeah?
Can I sit?
Yeah, just sit here. All right.
Any drink, sir?
No, it's fine for now.
Seafood fried rice. Can you sit this table? This is raining maybe. Raining.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I can hear the thunders, man. It's gonna rain soon.
Ring the one, huh?
Yeah, rain.
Ring the one. Seafood fried rice, one pack.
Yeah. One seafood fried rice. So I just randomly went to one of the restaurants here and tried a seafood fried rice here. Let's see how good it is compared to Uncle Roger's one. All right, boys and girls, we've got the seafood fried rice. This was 20 ringgit, so a little bit cheaper than Uncle Roger's fried rice. But is it a lot better than Uncle Roger's fried rice? Might be. I don't know, man. Let's find out. It's raining hardcore, man. We have to hurry with this fried rice because otherwise it's gonna be pouring down. All right, first bite. Oh, so many things in it, like squid, shrimp, a lot of shrimp, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, Uncle Roger's fried rice also had like a lot of shrimp, but this one has a lot more wok hei, man. You can clearly tell the wok hei. MSG. Actually, I kind of missed the salty flavor afterwards. Like when you eat fried rice and the saltiness keeps in your mouth, you know it's gonna be MSG and salt a lot. This is a really good comparison because it also has shrimps, you know. The shrimp at Uncle Roger's was a bit different. But this one definitely has a lot more wok hei, man. It's really good, man. So this place is called Restaurant LDS. Chuzhou style. It's actually quite interesting place because they also sell like seafood stuff. Let me show you the sign. Like there's a sign over there that you can see fish, oysters, dumplings, BBQ chicken wing. They also serve that. So I'm only ordering this because I wanna like try some other stuff. I'm not even sure if I can finish this whole plate, but this is a portion-wise. This is like twice as much as, you know. So this is 20 ringgit, but actually, if you compare it with Uncle Roger's fried rice, this is actually 2 times 29 ringgit from Uncle Roger because the portion is way bigger. I think Uncle Roger's is like half of this portion. You can easily like eat this with 2 people. And the fried rice also has a lot of things in it, like carrots. It's got all kinds of greens. I don't know what kind of greens there are in this. It's very diverse. So wow. This fried rice is definitely a 9 out of 10. If Uncle Roger's 8.5, I think Uncle Roger's fried rice deserves an 8 out of 10 instead of 8.5. Because compared to this, portion-wise, it wins way much better than the Uncle Roger one. And there's also the taste. This one has more wok hei, so it gets definitely 1 point more than Mr. Roger. But this is a big portion, yeah. Definitely a big portion. But I actually wanted to have like a bit more squid. You know, I think there's like 3 or 4 pieces of squid in it, and that's it. And 5 pieces of shrimp, I think. Well, still, for 20 ringgit, come on. That's way better than any pavilion shopping mall food. I think it is winning, man, this one. I randomly chose this place. I did not chose this place. Randomly chose one, and I think this is better than Uncle Roger. So if you want to eat fried rice, go to Jalan Alor, man. You're going to do yourself a favor. Peace.